Nah, this is crazy. There's no way I just got this for this price. And the quality is actually insane. This is the comfiest hoodie I've ever wore. And I love the baggy look. But guess what? I haven't even shown you the best part. I don't know. Should I even show you guys? Well, fuck it. Yeah. That back is insane. And you can get it for 40% off. I paid full price and I'm a happy customer. So let me give y'all a cheat code. Get it now for 40% off. Clear your closet out. Throw out those old hoodies that have stains. You can get this Simply Southern hoodie for a great price. And it ships so fast. I got it in like 2 days. Click that shopping cart right there if you want it.